Have you marked up several charts and is confused which one to go into first? Did you know that you could use Tradingview and compare the pairs to know which one is moving faster? Stick around, let me show you how.
My eyes, I can see the skies. I can see.
Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up into pieces so each and everyone can understand. Tradingview Thursdays. Today we're going to take a look at how we do comparison on the charts with different pairs. Without a delay, let's dive straight into it. Alright, watch me now. Taking the example of the charts we look on Sunday, right? So watch me now. So we have two NZD pairs, and I said to you guys that it's dangerous to go in both of them at the same time. So which one should you go in first? All I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna keep this video short and spicy, right? You see this thing that says compare right here beside of the candles, right? You're gonna click compare. Bam. Alright, then you're gonna search for, it's there already, but you're gonna search for NZD CHF, right? Bam, and that's it. Simple as that. Right? So when it comes up right here, for me now, I would want to trade NZD USD first. Why? Let's look at this level right here. You see this level right here where price is consolidating, right? Notice that NZD USD has already broke from that level, retest and create a lower high with a nice little bearish flag. Thus, as I said in my video on Sunday, the NZD CHF was not ready. It would have to break through here, retest and create a lower high. So it would have to do what the NZD USD has done already. Does that make any sense? So NZD USD is way ahead of NZD CHF based on the comparison. So thus, I will go in the NZD USD first. Does that make any sense? That's a lot of tip for you guys. Come on, man. If you're getting value from this video, smash the like button, comment below, and tell me some stuff that you'd like to see me cover. And don't forget, I'm giving away free signals for the month of April 2021, so just click the Discord link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and if there's anything on Tradingview you'd like to see me cover, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go on, big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.